Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. And today's special occasion is a graduation party, so we did this beautiful classy style backdrop with a nice neon sign and some bumpus leaves. So to start off, I'm just going to quickly show you how I attached my bumpus arrangement to my backdrop. I looped a 260Q through the case, and then I put an adhesive hook on the back, and then on the other side I had a heavy duty backdrop clip holding it in place. And then for the neon sign, I put a little nail in the top of my backdrop, and then I used fishing line to attach the neon sign to it. For this setup, the client wanted these specific colors, so she wanted black, gold, and then white sand as well. So those are the clusters that I blew up, and at this point I'm just starting to build a little bit of a base on the right side of the backdrop. She didn't want it to be too filled with balloons, so I kind of kept it to a minimum. But I went in with a couple clusters. I believe that was a cluster of 6, and then I added 2 clusters of 4, and now I'm just building off of that with another cluster of 4, and then I'm switching colors to gold, and I started off with a cluster of 6 that also has a 16-inch balloon in there as well, just to make sure that the body is looking nice. And after that, we are switching colors again, so we're going in with some white sand right now. And then I started off with a cluster of 6 and adding a quad of 4 balloons at the top to end it off. Now that I have the body, well, is it the body? No, more the base on the right side done, I'm going to switch over to the left side just to make sure that I'm not building it unevenly, because I do like some symmetry when it comes to my backdrop, so I wanted it to kind of look balanced on both sides, so not one side having a lot more body or be a lot more filled than the other side. So I went straight ahead to the left side to start building on that side, and I basically followed the same routine that I did on the right side as well. Also with the colors, I wanted it to again look symmetrical, so I went in with the same amount of balloons in each color, and then just basically kept going in the same pattern when it comes to the color. So black on the bottom, gold in the middle, and then the white sand at the top. So as you're gonna see here, I'm going to add one more black cluster to the top on the left, because I wanted it to be kind of seamless and not there be a gap between the pompous arrangement and where the balloons started. So again, because of symmetry, because I did that on the left side, I'm going to go ahead and add some more black balloons on the right side as well, as you can see me doing right here. And I probably did, it looks like I did 2 quads of 4, but it could have been a cluster of 6 first and then ended off with a quad of 4 as well. So now that we have the base done, I'm starting to build a little bit more on the body, because I do like my balloon garlands to be a little bit more wider at the bottom. So I went in with a cluster of 6 of the gold, and then I'm adding a quad of 4 balloons to it, and again just filling up with some more volume. I just went in with a cluster of 6 balloons of the white sand that also has an 18-inch balloon in there as well. I don't know why, but I was struggling. As you can see there, my hand hurt a little bit. I was struggling with tying the balloons during this setup. I don't know what it was. Maybe I'm just a little bit out of practice. Am I? Not really, because I have been doing bookings, I just haven't been posting them a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for still being here, by the way, because I've been very absent, but I'm gonna try to get back into the groove of things. So I just ended off with one more quad of white sand on the bottom left, and then I was just arranging some of the balloons, to see how I wanted them to lay really. And now we're back on the right side, so I'm just gonna try to match that to the left, because I was quite happy with the way that side was looking. And I'm going in with the same amount of balloons and trying my best to just kind of get that same little vibe that we had going on the left side as well. When I added the body on the left side, I did take notice of how much balloons I was adding. So when I went to the right side, I basically just added the same amount of balloons, so probably a cluster of 4 of the white sand, a cluster of 6 of the white sand, and then yeah, I think that was about it. Oh, sorry, no, the 2 clusters of gold as well. Yeah, so here I am just rearranging some stuff, making sure everything is nice and tight. I did feel like adding a little bit more gold there at the top just to kind of get the same shape that we had on the left side as well. I was still kind of playing with this left side because that big 18-inch balloon, the white sand that I just pushed to the back, I wasn't sure where I wanted that one to lay, and I'm happy that I left it that way because it looks way better now. And now I'm just going in with my 5 inches. I did for this booking, I don't know how, but I didn't have any 5 inches in the gold. Yeah, I didn't order them and I didn't have any at home. Tried to get them last minute, was unsuccessful. But yeah, so I was kind of scared because usually I do have all of the colors in 5 inches, but I didn't for this look, and honestly I don't hate it. It still looks good, so I am happy with the way it turned out at the end of the day. And that is about it for this video, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.